Hello, presentation final product. English 2. Hi friends, my name is Carlos Andres Avila. I live in Barranquilla, Atlántico. I am 27 years old. I am sales agent. I am studying business administration. I have been working in technology companies and most. I like to travel, reading, listen to the music, streaming activities. I like to I like to build and sell for. I have a dog called Bruno. He's special for me. I like why my mom and my brothers. The living in the city is Barranquilla. Barranquilla is very hot. The people of Barranquilla are very happy and very funny. Travel. Santa Marta Magdalena. Santa Marta is very beautiful. It's one of the most beautiful cities in Latin America. Its beaches are crystal clear. It's a beautiful landscape. Santa Marta have Tayrona Park, Dubai, Rodadero, Chengue, Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta, Historical Center, the River, Bonda, Taganga, Casino Paradise, Simon Bolivar Park. There are many places that we can visit. Rodadero. While my friends on the beach Playa Blanca. The weather in Santa Marta is very hot. Its temperature can reach 38 degrees. The shore wear comfortable clothes and a brief mosquito screen. Santa Marta is very beautiful. Has many beaches to visit. The food is fish, rice, a plantain, seafood, octopus, shrimp, lemonade, and coconut water. I recommend visit Santa Marta. It has many landscapes. Its people are beautiful and very sweet. Santa Marta is a city and has good hotels. My country Colombia has many places to visit, but Santa Marta is unique because of its colors, climate, variety, and its beaches. Thank you.